Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with Vision Marketing and Design. And today I am so super excited to have the legendary marketer Dave Sharpe here so I can pick his brain and ask him, for a beginner marketer, how does he recommend getting started and what is the difference between a successful marketer and the ones that fail. So stick around and I'll be right back with Dave Sharpe. Hey, Mr. Dave Sharpe, how are you?
Hey, Bridget, what's going on? Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. Hey, so while I have you here, I'm going to pick your brain, okay? Because I get a super common question, and I really don't know how to answer it within 5 minutes or less. So, we put out all these advertisements, all these materials to advertise for Builderall. But the first question people say is, well, what is Builderall? So how do you sum up the tools, the opportunity, the community? How do you sum all of that up in a short explanation?
Well, it's an all-in-one marketing platform that has the power to help you start or grow your business, period. And we're coupling that now with better education, better marketing funnels and tools to help people to understand what the product is. But that's it in a nutshell.
Mm-hmm. So if someone does decide to sign up for Builderall, where should they start on day one? What does that process look like?
If I'm somebody who's going to come in and start with Builderall, I'm going to go through a brief getting started section, which we've just revamped the back office and we're in the process of revamping it, but that's either something that's there now or will be there in the near future.
It's incredible.
And I would, if you can afford it, get signed up with our boot camp. It's an additional cost for 30 days of training to learn how to make a perfect offer and to create a perfect funnel and to write emails and to write ads. And it's done in a way that no curriculum on the internet has been done before. And so there's lots of support. And if you compare the prices to, college courses and other courses that are sold out there online, there's no comparison. So I think that we pride ourselves here on being the best at an extremely affordable price. And look, the bottom line is, if we can just be frank, if, 60, 70 bucks a month and a couple of $100 to invest in your education to develop the skills is too much for you, the truth of the matter is entrepreneurship might not be right for you. And I think we need to be more frank and honest with people and not be hypey about it. You're welcome to go and take out tens of thousands of dollars in student loans that are the only type of debt that's not forgiven in bankruptcy, and choose whatever path you want in life. But if you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to build a business, whether that's an agency, whether that's an affiliate marketing business, whether you want to take your knowledge and package it and sell it in courses or coaching packages, then there's going to be an investment of time and money to learn how to use a tool and learn how to develop a business and marketing strategy. We can do that probably faster than any other platform in the world, including college, because that's what I've specialized in perfecting to the best of my ability in the last 10 years. So if you're watching this, there's probably a link somewhere around this. I would encourage you to spend a couple of bucks, come in, take our masterclass, and at least hear about 10 ways that you can make money this year online. And we'll show you how to use the tool to build your funnels and set your business up that's appropriate for that particular business model. And I think when you sit with us for a couple of hours and let us walk you through some of the most powerful information you'll ever get, you'll begin to see a vision for yourself that you haven't seen before. And I think you'll really, and I'm talking to you, the viewer, really get excited about the potential of digital marketing.
Yeah, it doesn't take long for you to see the value in Builderall for sure. So my last question, what do you think is the difference between successful marketers and those that fail?
I think it's all about grit. I think it's just about the ability to persevere through challenges. It has nothing to do with talent. It has nothing to do with any of these things that people think it does. It's just that people see me now, they say, I think I'm so successful, but they didn't see the 15 years of preparation it took to get here. I mean, I've been in this industry alone for 10 years. right? So you may have seen me on the webinar now being interviewed and I'm some, celebrity marketer, but trust me, first of all, I'm nobody special in my home. I'm just a dad and husband and just a regular guy, but you also don't see the 10 years in the making. So I think that if you're going to be successful, just like anything in life, you need to develop grit. You need to develop the ability to persevere through challenges, and you need to never, ever quit, right? You just course correct a little bit. Most people quit right before the miracle happens. That's the difference between successful and unsuccessful people, in my opinion.
I totally agree. Hey, thanks so much for your time, Dave. I'm sure that I'll be talking to you again soon.
Bridget, it's a pleasure, and I'm here to help you and all of your clients be as successful as possible with good, honest, integrity-driven training and support and tools. And I can't wait to lock arms with each and every one of you guys.
Thank
and
you
ladies.
so much. Have a good one.
See ya.